Hi Pisces, this is your reading for the themes in 2025. Blink, 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 blink twice. The Emperor and the Empress, ooh-wee. And then the Star at the bottom of the deck. And the Law, ooh, okay, Pisces. Yo, this could be a balancing, you could be meeting a sort of balanced partner here, okay? Or coming into union with somebody. Gemini got the same reading, okay? If you're really like smart or something, you just go watch the themes of all of the readings, honestly, because they all apply to you, okay? This is, you can learn from all of them. But I'm seeing here sort of a balance of two counterparts, and everything really lining up for you to meet this father and a mother and the system, okay? This could be like a marriage this year, Pisces, or just a union within yourself, okay? Also, I just listened to Hope by Blood Orange. You give me hope, okay? There's an energy here who your hope is being restored, perhaps with a partner, okay, who is balanced, and a balance within yourself. You're regaining your power, and you are integrating your masculine and feminine energies this year, okay? You are balancing it. You are balancing things well as well. Father, the mother, then the system. There's also a sort of systemic way of you moving, okay? I hope I'm not speaking in riddles, but there's some kind of fated meeting as well, okay? I'm seeing like the laws of karma or the scales balancing, okay? And this is between you and another person, or between you and yourself. I'm seeing a sort of like fated meeting, to be honest. 9 of Pentacles, or just a union within yourself. Two people balancing each other out here, okay? Filling in for the other where they lack. Oh, okay. Balanced. Mother of Pentacles and the Mother of Cups. Okay, if I'm speaking to the Empress here, you are really balancing your money and your emotion, okay? You are finding your feet, you are finding security, and you're also learning how to protect yourself. Another message is that you are protected by spiritual law, okay? And you are protected by the system of the divine justice, okay? For you, 4 of Wands. There's big marriage energy here. I don't know if it's an external marriage or marriage, a marriage in the spirit, or marriage in the realm of this plane, 3D. But there's big marriage energy here because the law is involved, literally getting married. I'm hearing the bride and the bridegroom. Mother of Cups, Mother of Pentacles. You're in your bag. If you are feminine energy and your emotions are balanced, you are a nurturer, okay? You are a good mother. You will be a good mother if this is sort of an energy where you are having a child with this person, because the Emperor has this child on its neck, okay? Yo, what the fuck? Okay, the Hierophant coming out here. I can't play about this, yo. There's some kind of marriage taking place here, some kind of contract, okay, between two very powerful entities. I'm hearing conglomerate. I'm hearing the Hierophant, a spiritual union, okay? This could even be a spiritual love, the moon here. It's almost as if there's a lot of romance in this card, okay? Even romanticization, but in a good way, all right? It's like, I just read this for Aquarius, okay? A love affair, like a movie. Okay. And that's what I'm getting here also. It's like two kind of people meeting in like it's like a honeymoon period, okay? And the honeymoon period lasts forever with the moon at the bottom of the deck. There's a lot of romance and fine china. Okay, fine china. I'm hearing that song, Fine China. Let's go get the lyric. Fine China lyric. Okay, that's by Chris Brown. I don't really fuck with Chris Brown. Okay, but listen, these are the lyrics. Okay, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, cause your time is money. Mother of Pentacles here. Okay, and I won't let him waste it. Baby, just go with it, cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. You can take it slow or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. You're worth the chase you're putting on, okay? And that's what I'm seeing here, okay? This Empress is sort of the runner energy in this, okay? Pisces in 2025, and this masculine is pursuing, okay? Pursuing this Empress energy, okay? Because that's what they want. They sort of see, favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. When you're mine, I'll be generous. Emperor, yo, I'm definitely rooting for feminine energy here, okay? And this Emperor is saying this to you. Or you are this Emperor saying this to someone. You definitely have your eyes on someone in 2025. You're worth a chase. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. Just like fine china. Took me a while. I know your heart's been telling you you belong to me. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. You're irreplaceable. You're collectible, just like fine china. Oh my days. I'm even blushing for you, yo. Literally, there's an energy here who is very trustworthy. 2025, and for that to come up is very interesting. Okay, I don't even want to get more cards. Five of Swords and the High Priestess. Trust your intuition. This is not going to be any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Okay, and the evidence will be there. This person is going to bring ease into your life, okay? Or this 2025, you are finding more ease. You are finding more letting go much more and allowing systems to take place. You are taken care of by the system. You're really just about to be sort of put up in a way, okay? 2025. High Priestess, like you really don't have to do much. This Empress is on this tiger, okay? And that's the High Priestess. So you are a powerful energy here, very sensual and seductive feminine energy in your highest vibration, okay? And this person is just wanting to bring you ease, okay, and take care of you and perhaps your family that you're trying to build together. This is a very vocal person, okay? And you are becoming more vocal in 2025 also. Four of Wands coming up. Like this person wants you in their home. You're in a new home, you're in a new space, okay? Perhaps this person's been watching you. As I said, it took me a while to find your love. Are you ready? Somebody's saying, okay, this energy is like, are you ready? Whoa, Pisces. This is so interesting for 2025 for this message to come out, yo. And the Four of Swords falling over. There's a protector here, protector and provider energy here. If you are a man watching this, you are this protector energy and you are finding your Empress in 2025, and it sort of activates your masculine. If this is not about the union, which I really do feel that it is, okay, this could just be you in yourself finding balance between your feminine and your masculine energy. You are safe, you are protected. 4-4. You are in your star energy, okay? You're getting everything that you deserve, that you always knew that you deserve. 2025 seems to be a very fortunate year in union. Gemini had the same reading, kind of. There's no need for you to protect yourself or have any walls up this year. You can sort of be open and more like shameless. Okay, this is I'm the Holy One. There's also a sense of duality here. Okay, you are a dual being, a dual human being, and you are integrating all sides of you, and this is making for a well-rounded individual. Okay, and you are an individual with the star here. Your individuality is shining in 2025. Please go watch the Aquarius reading if you'd like, because I feel like it's important for you to do not be ignorant of me. People are about to be waking up, woke. They've been sleeping on you perhaps. Okay, people are waking up. Okay, this is sort of a partnership where you guys are in the spotlight, or you know, this elevates you. You elevate each other, you hold each other up, you raise each other up, and it's sort of like a dream team here. As I said, if it's not outwardly, this is you are the dream team yourself. You are the whole fucking team. You are the Emperor and the Empress. Okay, let's just get one more card to close out this energy and the death. Okay, the 6 of Wands at the bottom of the deck. You don't have to fight anymore. You don't have to fight anymore. You don't have to deal with the devil anymore. Yikes. The devil, I don't fucking want to talk about that. The death card here, okay? The Emperor, the masculine energy, is experiencing an ego death even, okay? A transformation, confirmation, okay? And this person is waking up to you, wants to wake up to you in the morning. I'm hearing how absolutely romantic and a bit corny, but this person wants to be the whole corn I'm seeing for you, okay? Wants to wake up to the crack of dawn, okay? Nice. Very interesting energy, Pisces. Hope. Please go listen to the song Hope by Blood Orange. You give me hope, okay? It's almost as if they say at the end of the song that there's a lot of problematic people I'm talking about here, okay? Chris Brown and P. Diddy is in the song, okay? He says, you give me hope. So you could have been dealing with a lot of problematic masculines, okay? Abusive masculines, toxic, predatory masculines in the past. But you're coming across a real boss energy, baby, okay? Yeah, you're coming across a real boss, a real man or real woman, or real, you know, counterpart to fit you. And that's stunning. The sun, yes. Will you? Will I? I do. You might be saying I do this year. I do. Okay. And that's the reading for Pisces. That was a mouthful. Please go subscribe to my channel if you want to, if you like this reading. You can book a personal reading in the bottom of the description. I'm so excited for you. I love you. Bye.